Okay, now let's deliver our cards. I think he might be sleeping. Do you want to? Oh, nope, he's awake. Say Merry Christmas. Okay, say Merry Christmas, right?
I love it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Addison, do you want to find somebody? There's some people over there in the corner. Boys and girls, there's people over there too. Go find somebody. Look at, the man with the antlers wants one. He might be Rudolph. What do you say? Okay. Boys and girls, we got some more. More cards here. Kiefer. Luke, over here. There's some people here that didn't get cards. Do you want to go wish them a Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Tell John Moore I said hello.
Oh, I will. Okay. I will tell her. Okay, anybody else have some cards?
No, we don't.
Okay, how about Connor Peace? Did we get rid of Connor Peace card? Oh, look at boys and girls. They got a surprise for us, don't they? What do we say?